There are two groups of people who need to watch this video. First group, you've recently passed the real estate exam. Now you want to apply for your license, but you need a brokerage to apply with. Second group, you've joined a brokerage, but you are frustrated with the training or lack of training at your current brokerage and are looking for more options. If you fall into any of these two categories or you're just curious, continue to watch because in this video, I will show you some resources that I have available to me. Some of them you can get for free 100% whichever brokerage you're in. Some you would need to partner with me in my brokerage to have access to those resources. So let's dive in and I will show you. Hello, my name is Nonye and I am your real estate tutoress. I am a licensed broker here in Illinois as well as a licensed instructor. On this channel, I bring the best tips and tools to getting your real estate license. I also answer any questions you may have about the process. If you're new here, welcome and do consider subscribing. All right, free resources. Let's begin to talk about them. The first one is what's called the Double Your Income Coaching Free Tuesday Coaching Call. So I am part of Double Your Income Coaching. As part of the W Income Coaching, there is a Tuesday free Zoom. It's open to anyone who is licensed or recently licensed, and you're thinking about how to start your career or your business in real estate and how to make that grow. So, this training is available, like I said, to anyone. It's free to join. I will leave a link in the description below. Just click that link, register, and you will get a reminder every Tuesday to join. If you're unable to join on Tuesdays, there is a replay. So you will get an email with the replay link, and then you could watch the replay. The replay is only available for 24 hours. If you wanted access to the replay even after 24 hours, then I will talk about how that would look later on. So let's say you've joined the Tuesday call and it's working for you and you wanted more. You want access to even older replays, then you would join our organization. And as part of our group, through our brokerage, which is eXp Realty, you will have access to previously recorded videos. You will have access to other coaching programs that you could take whenever you need the information. So I will dive in and show you a little bit behind the scenes on some of the things that you will have access to. One of the tools we have available to us in our group is this private Facebook group, and you would need to be a member to join. Now, in this group, we have lots of tools here. People share information about different things that are going on in the industry. We also share referrals sometimes if you have someone in your sphere who's looking to move to a different state. So, in our guide, you see the replay for the Tuesday coaching calls. So, they're all in here. So, then if you go here, these are our coaching resources. First one here, Digital President. As you can see, these are different courses that we have available. I haven't done a lot of these just because I'm focusing on other things. So there are a lot that you have access to. You may not take them all, but you can find the one that makes sense to you and your business and go ahead and take those. So these are some other courses that are available through Jay Kinder and Michael Reese. Okay. And this final one is from the Double Your Income Coaching. This has different courses that you could take to help you with Facebook ads, dominating on YouTube, getting listings from retirement communities, Facebook groups, different things. So these are people who've done this and they've developed courses to show you how it could be done. There are other Facebook groups that we have access to as well, but just wanted to show you one right here. Once you join the organization and go through the onboarding process, then you'll be invited to join this group and the other groups that we have available. I know it's a lot to keep track of, but you just get to choose the one that works for you in that particular season. And then at a certain time, you may want to jump into, for example, agent attraction. Then you can come here and learn about it. Or you want to learn more about growing your audience and getting more customers with YouTube. So then you would come here to learn that. Or learn about pre construction and how to leverage that to blow up your business depending on the market that you're in. Time management, all right, growing with TikTok, Instagram. So these are all available to you, and you could use them when the need arises. When I talk about joining our organization at EXP, what I mean is when you join EXP, you join under a certain person. So, for example, you join with my name, and then you will have access to these resources. So, when you join EXP, they will ask you who you want to be your sponsor. So, if you put my name down, then you will have access to these resources. If you go with someone else who is not in our group, then you will not have access to these resources, but you will have access to all the other things EXP already has available. So EXP has over 50 hours of live coaching every week in the EXP University. In the state of Illinois, we have access to our managing broker, and then there's a designated managing broker as well. So there are two people we have access to. We also have access to compliance specialists. So they're ensuring that all of our transactions are complying with the Illinois licensing laws. We also have state meetings twice a month where we learn about new laws, new trends, new things about the market so that we are constantly evolving with the market. These are some of the things that we have available to us as part of our brokerage. It is 100% virtual, so you can be anywhere that EXP is licensed and be part of our group. If you are licensed here in Illinois and also licensed in a different state, you can still be part of the brokerage in that state as well. And it's not a separate fee, it's not a separate anything. You're just still part of the family essentially. So just to recap, you have the Tuesday calls that are open to anyone. You also have the courses that are on demand that you can watch, and they're growing that. Actually in January of next year they will totally expand that, and when they do, I will bring you more information on what we're calling Agent Mafia. So it is open to people who are not part of our organization as well. Of course, it's not going to be free if you're not part of our team. If you like where you are, but you just need supplementary coaching, then you can join the Agent Mafia. And when that becomes available, I will tell you more. If you join the Tuesday coaching call, you will also learn more about Agent Mafia. Finally, every Wednesday, my smaller group, we do have our weekly huddle. And if you're interested in joining as my guest, you're welcome to sit in one of our meetings and see how we function. We help each other out with collaborations. We help each other through our struggles in our transactions. You learn from other people in different parts of the country on how they're running their business there so that you can implement that into your own local business. So whether you are newly licensed, you just passed the exam and looking for a brokerage, or you are already with a brokerage but looking for more training, feel free to jump in and join the Double Your Income Coaching Tuesday calls. All right. Just full disclosure, I joined in February. I've been licensed now for over 6 years. I was a different brokerage, joined this one in February. I've had so many life things happen to me. But it's been good to have this group as a support, even in me going through my journey as a broker, as a human being as well, and also as an instructor. So they give me ideas, tips, tools on how to better serve my community and serve you guys as well, even on this channel. And so I can honestly say that for me, it's been a good switch. And the best thing about Illinois is if you join a brokerage and it's not working for you, guess what? You can leave. There is no obligation to stay with that brokerage for any extended period of time. So try out the Double Your Income coaching and see how that works. If it doesn't work, you didn't lose anything, all right? It's free. So join it and implement some of the things you learn in your business. I will link a video here at the end where I talk about the questions you should be asking and the things you should be thinking about when you are looking to join another brokerage. Ask me those questions about my brokerage too. I'll be honest with you. All right. And I'll tell you if the brokerage actually lives up to those expectations that I mentioned in the video. With that, we've come to the end of this video. Hopefully, it was beneficial to you, and I will see you in the next one.